You are capable to turn every negativity into a positive tone. Are nothing but ruining your own life if you are listening to. Hi, welcome to the Everything. Today we are going to discuss about no one but you and your life on YouTube. You were very much bold and took the final decision to start your YouTube journey. You have many courage within yourself to quit whatever you're doing and consider YouTube as a full-time career. In whatever way you managed to create your own YouTube channel, and right now, you are confused and don't know where to start, how to start. Then, congratulations, you are in the right place. This video is for you, and you are going to listen my failure story on YouTube. And I will try my best to point out how you can learn from my mistakes to success on YouTube. So, the first thing to keep in mind that YouTube is huge. Half of the population of the entire world has completely, actively turned into a content creator right now. Every third person has their own YouTube channel. So you can understand the pressure, you can understand the competition. It is really huge, and in this chaos, you have to be specific. You have to find your own voice. You have to follow your own niche, what I did not do in my past. I completely messed up with this. I have so many hobbies. I wanted to share them with the people. I want to teach people what I can do, whatever I know, whatever I can do. That completely misleaded my YouTube algorithm. What you do not have to do. The second thing in this list, what you have to do is to not care. Do not care about what others think, what others will say. Let them say what they want to say. They will not define your future. You are the one who is going to create your own future. If you are going to listen to whatever others say, you will be the only one who will suffer at the end of the day at a very dark corner of your own room, and they will be happy or sad, whatever. They will live their own life, and you are nothing but ruining your own life if you are listening to others. So it is completely in your hand what you have to do, what you want to do in your life. If you want to become a successful person, if you want to test the independence, if you want to be independent mentally, emotionally, physically and economically, or you would like to end up your life becoming a complete slave of others' choice. I was also in your state, thinking a lot about what would others say, what would others think, or what would others do if I do something particularly, and it nothing but cost me my entire 19 years probably. That's a lot of time. You don't have to do that, okay? The third thing in this list is to have the capability to build yourself in a way that you are capable to turn every negativity into a positive tone. Can you understand what I'm saying? Like, if you are willing to be active on YouTube, if you are going to be a content creator on YouTube or any other social media platform, it is obvious that bunch of people, the entire world is going to watch your content at any point of time. As we all know, that world is filled with many kind of people and their perspective mindset about life. So there are many negative people, there are many positive people, there are many in combined. So you don't have to break down for any negative comments, and you don't have to overwhelm yourself for any positive comments. Be neutral in this case. Like, I was not at all consistent, thinking a lot like how to make my YouTube content better, thumbnail better, the camera quality better, lightings better, my appearance better, how to make things better, how to turn things what I was doing in a complete perfection. And that thinking of perfectionism cost me my entire 1.5 years that I haven't posted any single thing for my YouTube channel. And that is the reason of my YouTube reach right now. It is totally down. But because of a very minimalistic self-realization, I got to know that how life works. It doesn't work in this way. The idea of perfectionism has flaws. Life has flaws. We all have flaws. So let it be. But what you can do in this case is to start visualizing things in a completely separate tone. Like, imagine you have successfully posted your first content on your YouTube channel. After 2 days from the time, it made you gain 17 views, 2 likes, and 1 subscriber. Now, what you can do is to visualize those 17 people as real life 17 people standing in front of you in a room, and those 2 likes as 2 people appreciating your content as a person, and those 1 subscriber as 1 people completely becoming your lifetime fan. But I believe this visualization can help one to keep going on without thinking much. Like right now, I have gained courage to restart my YouTube page and my journey by only focusing on this visualization power. So I am exposing my secret to you. You have to follow that too. So what you have the mantra of success from a already failure on YouTube and her experience. Go and apply them in your content to finally start your YouTube journey and to get success on YouTube. We will meet again very soon. Until then, stay safe and healthy and keep smiling. Bye.